Hi, fourth grade. Welcome back to library. I hope you guys are all having an awesome week. Today is Wednesday. Nope, not Wednesday. It's Thursday, April 23rd, and we will have library again on Monday, and then after that your specials will switch and you'll start art and music again. So hopefully it hasn't been too confusing for you guys. We just want you to be able to get all your specials, so this is how we figured we'd do it. Today we are going to go back to our Greek mythology. On Tuesday, I told you I had two more stories for you, and so the first one we did on Tuesday was Perseus and Medusa, and then today will be our last Greek myth, and it's called Arachne and Athena. So unfortunately, I did not find a YouTube video about this myth on the channel that we've been watching, but there are some other ones on there. If you're interested, I can post the link for those. So I'll go ahead and read it to you guys. I did include a copy of the myth here if you want to go back and reread it before you take the quiz. So, Arachne and Athena. There was once a girl named Arachne who was a talented weaver. Arachne had studied for a time under Athena, the Greek goddess of wisdom and war, who was also a masterful weaver. Word of Arachne's beautiful tapestries spread around Greece, and a tapestry is like a big cloth design. People thought she must have been trained by Athena to be able to create such amazing items. Even though she had been trained by Athena, Arachne denied it. She was very proud of her skills, and she didn't want to share credit with anyone, not even a goddess. She even went so far as to claim that she was a better weaver than the goddess Athena. Athena heard what Arachne had been saying and decided to speak with her. Athena disguised herself as an old woman and went to visit Arachne to explain the importance of not offending the gods. She reminded Arachne that gods and goddesses were very powerful. They can greatly help those who honor them, or they can severely punish those who cross them. Arachne replied back to the old woman, "If Athena doesn't like my words, then let her show her skills in a weaving contest." Suddenly, the disguise of the old woman vanished, and there stood the radiant goddess Athena. Athena accepted the contest challenge. Two looms were set up, and they both worked rapidly, their fingers gliding back and forth as they wove the beautiful tapestries. For her design, Athena created an image showing all the gods and goddesses in their glory up in Mount Olympus. Arachne, refusing to back down, decided to display stories that showed the gods in the poorest light, making fun of them. Seeing Arachne's work, Athena was so angry with her disrespect that she tore Arachne's tapestry into shreds. Athena said, "Silly girl, since you love to weave so very much, why don't you go and spin forever?" Athena then turned Arachne into a spider. It is said that all spiders have been punished for Arachne's actions, since they are required to live their entire short lives within their own webs. So what I love about this Greek myth is it gives kind of an explanation for why spiders spin a web. And like we've talked about, Greek myths aren't necessarily true, but sometimes they kind of give a story of why something is the way that it is. And if you notice, Arach, A-R-A-C-H-N, arachnid is another scientific name for a spider. And so Arachne also sounds like that, which is kind of interesting. All right, so now that we've read that myth, your job today is to take a quiz. So this quiz is not for a grade, it's just for practice, but I found this really fun website called Quizizz. And so the quiz is 10 questions. There will be some memes that will show up during the quiz, which is kind of fun. And then if you want the quiz to read aloud to you, you can. Each question is timed. You have 2 minutes for each question, which is plenty of time. You probably won't need even that much time. But I wanted to give you guys enough time in case you wanted to go back and look at the myth if you forgot what was going on. So you can have the myth open as a tab on your computer, and then you can have the quiz open. So once you start playing, Okay, so this one is one character trait you would use to describe Arachne. And I am not going to answer that because I want you to answer that, so I'm just going to make one up. This is not a good answer, but let's see, submit. Okay, and then it will show you that there's different people that you can rise up against. What did Athena disguise herself as when she went to visit Arachne? A doctor, an old woman, a police officer, or Wonder Woman? So you would just choose the best answer. So there are 10 questions. You're trying to build your streak. This will tell you if you want to turn off the music, you can, if that's distracting, or you can turn off the sound effects. So it's kind of a fun way to see what you guys learned from the story. It would be great if you could create your own account. So if you go back to the stream, you can see I have please join my class. And if you click on this, I invited you to join my class. You would just put your first name and last name. You do not need to put your parents, guardian, or email. And then you'll be in my class on quizzes, which will be helpful. So if you have questions, you can always join the Zoom. Let me go back. I have the Zoom link here, and then the password is library11. If you finish early, which I'm sure that you will since you guys are fast workers, just a reminder, I created this choice board for you. There are some great options for things that you can do. I know Kobe said he did the Hogwarts escape room and it was a lot of fun. So check that out if you finish early. All right, I think that is all I have for today. So just as a quick review, you're watching the video first, and then you'll take the quiz. If you finish early, you can choose an activity from the choice board or read a book or work on homework. And if you have Zoom, or if you have questions, you can join Zoom. All right. If I don't see you, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you back in class on Monday. Talk to you later. Bye.